Okay, so a website that I like to use is called piktochart.com. You can start for free, but I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. And then once you get to piktochart, you can create infographics, presentations, posters, reports, flyers. Really, you have a lot of options, and that's why I like this website to use. And I have used it for recipes or quick infographics on nutrition and fitness tips. You can create new by clicking this, and it'll give you the option to select which type of presentation you'd like to make, and it'll give you themes and templates. So let's say I wanted to do an infographic, and then you can start from blank, or you can look at the different options that it'll give you and some ideas to start. But I'm going to just show you some of the ones that I've made. So this is a recipe I used, and I did an infographic. And as you can see, you can go in and edit it by clicking on the text box and changing. You can do different fonts, sizes, you can type, and whatever you want to create on your specific infographic. It also gives you design components. You can upload photos. There's different backgrounds you can use. So if I wanted to change it to that, I could click that, but I'll keep it. And then when you're all done, you can preview it and just run through your infographic and see how easy it is to follow and share with others. So for this recipe, I could list all the ingredients, how many it serves, prep time, and then just go through the easy steps. And I like this website because it's fun, easy to use, and you can create a number of things.